Good morning, everyone. It is day 4 of this epic trip. Woo! Típico burrito. We just finished an awesome breakfast at Vida Hermosa. And it was awesome. And now we are doing the Miro hike. M-I-R-O. Miro, maybe, I'm not sure. But it's a quick one, but very uphill. And we're walking to an abandoned, partially finished hotel that overlooks Jaco. Super cool. Here it is. Right, we're coming to the first lookout spot right now. This is the top. Jaco Beach, where we'll be in a little bit. Hi. This is how Christine looks at me when she's really mad. Except it's not a rainbow, it's like a laser. All done, easy peasy. We are gonna head back to get changed, and then we're going surfing at Jaco Beach. Let's go.
Yay.
All right, just rented some surfboards at Jaco Beach. Look at Mom on the shortboard. It's gonna be ripping out there.
That's
just
right.
Kidding. Christina's 2 boogie boards behind her.
Can't really see them.
Yeah. But I'm gonna test out the shortboard for the first time. Never rode. I guess I've never rode a hard longboard either, just foamy. So we're gonna have some fun today. Probably do a lot of falling, and yeah, see how it goes. Woo.
Michael, I really hope you get a good wave because I'm basically treading water the whole time, and that's hard. I was gonna say other things, but I don't think there's anything else besides that. My eyes are starting to burn, but that's fine. Okay, anyways, hope you enjoy this video. Okay, bye. Here goes my wave. Okay, you made up for it by letting me take the surfboard all the way in. Going all the way in. Pretty great. Okay, bye.
It is our 4th day here, and every day we talk about getting Pops, which is an amazing ice cream place, the chain here in Costa Rica. And every day we get too busy and don't do it. But today, we're doing it.
I'm just yelling ice cream.
Yeah, do you like Pops?
Definitely like pop, definitely like ice cream, and I'm super excited right now.
Excellent. guys are. All right, we're gonna grab a little dinner at the PuddleFish Brewery here in Jaco. Don't know if you can see me, but here we go. Ready? Whoa!
Michael, how was your day at the beach today?
Christine really wanted to take a video of this, but I usually have a wetsuit on when I surf, but out here the water's warm, so you don't need it. So the nips are a little chafed.
Got that figured out right there, huh?
Good to go. Ready for tomorrow. We were sitting outside, but now there's a torrential rainstorm, so we're inside. Woo! Christine, what are you eating tonight? Oh, okay, cheers. Woo! Well, we just finished off an amazing day that included another hike, some surfing, boogie boarding, bodyboarding, all the boardings, and then a little shopping in Jaco, and finally a brewery in Jaco that was absolutely amazing. And one of these nights I'm going to go for a night swim, but it's not tonight because we are so tired. So this was day 4, yeah? I think it was day 4. We're going to close out day 4 now. Another awesome day. And we're going to get some rest for day 5. Let's go.